The 22nd of August, International Day for Victims of Acts of Violence based on Religion or Belief. Every year on the 22nd of August, the International Day commemorating the victims of acts of violence based on religion or belief is observed. This day emphasizes the significance of aiding victims of religious persecution as part of the UN's efforts to promote human rights related to religious or belief freedom. This day comes a day after the International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism, which is observed on the 21st of August. Background: following an unprecedented rise of violence against religious communities and people belonging to religious minorities, United Nations General Assembly, UNGA, on 28 May 2019, adopted Resolution A. Res. 73-296 designating the 22nd of August as International Day commemorating the victims of acts of violence based on religion or belief. UNGA recognized the importance of providing victims of acts